What's up, everyone? Alpine Backyard Barbecue is back. Today we're firing up the grill for some super juicy smoked turkey breast. Stay tuned, it's worth it. Let's go! Salt, pepper, garlic, paprika powder. Thyme, butter, a splash of wash your sister sauce. Water and naturally turkey breast. That's the whole lineup. Pat that turkey dry and hit it with our rub. Season to taste and make sure every side gets covered. Mix a bit of wash your sister sauce with water and inject the turkey breast. We do this to lock in all that moisture and keep it tender. Dial in your grill for indirect setup at about 140 degrees Celsius / 285 degrees Fahrenheit and add a handful of wood chips to get that smoke rolling. Guys, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let's go. Grill temp is nice and stable. Now get that turkey on the grate, form it up, and stick in your temp probe so we can track the cook. We're also throwing a good chunk of butter right onto the grill. "45 minutes in, time to dab that rich melted butter all over our turkey. Another 45 minutes down, time to hit it with another layer of melted butter. Two hours in total, and we've reached our target internal temperature of 70 degrees Celsius / 158 degrees Fahrenheit. Man, this turkey is looking incredible. Pull the breast off the grill, hit it with one final bath of melted butter, and wrap it nice and snug in aluminum foil. Listen up, folks, this part is crucial. At least 1 full hour of resting time, so all those juices redistribute and the meat relaxes. Do not skip this. One hour is up, time to carve this baby up and see what we got. Oh yeah, baby, super juicy. Crazy tender and it smells straight out of heaven. Absolute perfection. Guys, you definitely have to try this. It's super easy and you can pair it with anything. Salads, rice, pasta, sandwiches, you name it. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments below, hit that subscribe button, and smash the like. Alpine Backyard Barbecue is the real deal, and that's a fact.